Okay, the next item we're going to discuss is rotating the plans. What typically happens is you're kind of cruising through your set page by page, and then all of a sudden what you'll come across is a page that are out of the correct formatting. So here's an example of a sheet that's out of order here. So what you want to do is come over here to the icons, and there's rotate left, rotate image right, flip image horizontal, and flip image vertical. So in this case, we're going to rotate the image right. Let me show you what this looks like, because it's maybe a little hard to see. So you can see I did the zoom full page icon like we were talking about in the earlier section. And so we're going to come over here and we want to rotate the image to the right. And then we want to go ahead and go back to that full page zoom. And as we're working our way next sheet in the set, I've got another one here that's out of the format that we want. So this one we're going to rotate the image left. We can go back to full. Now this one is basically a mirrored image, and so that's where the flip image horizontal and flip image vertical. So this one is going to be where we're going to flip it vertical, or I guess not, and we'll flip it horizontal. All right, so that's the thing, is sometimes the names of those icons is a little bit confusing, so just kind of keep clicking them until you start to get familiar with them, until it gives you the result that you're looking for. So here's one where the plan sheet is, it's backwards and upside down basically. So let's see if we flip it this way, if that's what yeah, so this gets us back where we're looking at the correct plan. The other thing that's kind of cool is if you find that you've loaded up all the drawings and they're all kind of facing the wrong way, you can come up here under image and you can go under adjust images, and you can do the rotation like it says here, 90 degrees counterclockwise, 90 degree, counterclockwise, 90 degree clockwise, or 180 degrees. And if you take these and then if you click apply to all pages, it'll flip every one of them that's in your set here. So it only works if every single page is out of the rotation, or out of the not accurate as far as the formatting goes. The next item I wanted to talk about is the view window icon. And so this is a pretty cool feature. So if you're, let's just say you are working through the room finish schedule, which we need to work through in order to determine where the carpet is and which rooms. So what we would do here is we would zoom into this area, and we're going to go over that zoom here in more detail, but I wanted to discuss this view window icon. So this is pretty slick, because what this icon here is show view window. What happens is you click on it and it opens the drawing that you're looking at in a separate window. So what you can do is if you've got two screens, you can move this over to a separate screen, a separate computer screen, and then what you can do is independently scroll through the plans while you leave that view window open. So here's the example. So you go here, we're going to roll up here to this first floor, and we're going to kind of move this over here to the side. And we're going to grab this and make it a little bit smaller. And so then on this plan, we're going to zoom this area a little bit. And then so we're going to look up, we see this conference room 112. We want to know what kind of flooring is in that room. So we go down here to 112, and we see that it's, here's your carpet right here. And if you scroll up, it looks like it's color, was it CPT1? The other part that makes this view window pretty powerful is you can then scroll through this view window independent from this main page. So you can actually run through, the whole plan set just like you would if you were normally looking at it. So it just gives you the ability to have an independent window open sheets of the same project at the same time.